Hello, this is Jieyuan Liu. This video will be discussing 5G. Before we delve deep into our discussion about the 5G, let's first take a quick look at how mobile networks have evolved over the years to present day. The predecessor of the first generation of mobile technology are called zero generation, which was born in 1940s. 1G brought us the very first cell phones, 2G let us text for the cell phones, 3G brought us online, and 4G puts the internet a big step forward. It delivered the speed that we enjoy today. Now we are headed toward 5G, the next generation of wireless. It will be able to handle 1,000 more traffic than today's networks, and it will be 10 times faster than 4G LTE. 5G is the aberration of the fifth generation of communication networks that will replace 4G LTE due to the prominence that the Internet of Things technology and machine-to-machine areas will get soon. From the inception of mobile networks, all devices have been in frequency spectrum between 3 GHz to 6 GHz, which is the sub-6 5G. And the millimeter waves open up a spectrum from 24 to 100 GHz, allowing for much more bandwidth real estate, bringing a faster network speed. 5G will offer benefits in three major areas: higher speed, low latency, and dense connection. With 5G greater bandwidth, your data is transferred to you at a faster rate because more data can be sent at the same time. Imagine there are cars on a narrow road. Only few can drive alongside, but if they drive a wider road, more cars can cross together. The high bandwidth helps to deliver more information in meantime, therefore make our mobile internet run faster. Latency is the time it takes for an action to be executed following an instruction. Sometimes we can experience the latency when gaming. In current 4G networks, latency ranges between 50 milliseconds up to 100 milliseconds, but 5G networks will reduce the latency down to just 1 millisecond, making accessing cloud data and virtual experience seamless, since it just happens instantly. Around 2,000 connected devices per square kilometers with 4G, 5G can support up to 1 million connected devices per square kilometers with no impact on connectivity, opening up the realm for smart cities, shared augmented experiences, much more. However, the 5G signal cannot go far. The catch is that the higher the frequency of any wave, the lesser the range. Therefore, higher gigahertz 5G cannot travel as far as 4G. It can't travel well through buildings or other obstacles. They even tend to be absorbed by rains. To get around these problems, we can use thousands of low-power mini-base stations. These base stations could be much closer together than traditional towers. The user moved behind an obstacle, his smartphone would automatically switch to a new base station in better range of his device, allowing him to keep up his connection. Another way to get around this problem is using beamforming. Instead of broadcasting in every direction, beamforming would allow a base station to send a focused stream of data to a specific user. This precision prevents interference and is way more efficient. The 5G networks allows many things to be wireless, and it provides many technologies with a platform to grow up. Such as 5G networks accelerate the development of the smart city, it will realize communication among machines. 5G can be applied in artificial intelligence, virtual reality, self-driving vehicles, remote surgery, also the manufacturing. Many technical problems have not yet solved, and there are some worries from people that 5G could cause health and environmental problems, but 5G is still in work in progress. Scientists are trying to figure this out. In the future, the 5G technology is expected to be used in education, with more interesting and higher efficient new technology. Students can learn faster and better. 5G can also be applied in intelligence and production. Smart city realizes smart management. It will also likely to be true that the transportation and social management is upgraded in an all-around way. 5G will be foundation of many technologies and stuff we can't yet imagine. In conclusion, 5G is a new generation of mobile network technology. It can be used in many ways. Currently, 5G still has a lot of space to develop. It is still in work in progress. Its network is expected to be widely used, and it will likely to include other new technologies too. We are looking forward to enjoying the new life that 5G brings us. That's all for my presentation. Thanks for listening.